In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google One. We will move slowly, so even if this is your first time using the Play Store, you can follow along without any trouble. First, open the Google Play app. On most Android phones and tablets, you will find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It usually looks like a small triangle with bright colors on a white background. Go ahead and tap that icon once. After a moment, the Google Play home screen will load, with a search bar across the top and rows of suggested apps below. If you see that search bar and some colorful app cards, you are in the right place and ready for the next step. Now that the Play Store is open, we will search for Google One. At the very top, tap the search bar that says Search Apps and Games. When the keyboard appears, slowly type the words Google One. Make sure you add the word One, since there are many apps with Google in the name. As you type, you may see Google One appear in the suggestions just below the search bar. If you see it there, you can tap that suggestion instead of typing the full name. Then press the search button on your keyboard. In a second or two, the results page will load, and you should see the Google One app near the top, with the Google multicolor logo on a white background and Google One written beside it. Next up, we will start the download by installing the app. Tap the Google One result to open its app page. This page shows the app name, the Google logo, the rating with stars, and screenshots that preview how the app looks. Near the top right of this page, you will see a green button that says Install. Tap the Install button once, then wait while the download begins. You will see a progress circle or a moving bar showing that Google One is downloading and installing in the background. On a fast connection, this usually takes less than a minute, but slower networks can take longer, so give it time to finish. When the install is complete, the green Install button changes to an Open button, and the Google One icon is also added to your app drawer and often to your home screen. At this point, Google One is fully downloaded and installed on your device, ready for you to open and sign in with your Google account whenever you want to manage backups or storage. You have just learned how to open the Play Store, search for Google One, and install it on your Android device. If this helped you get Google One set up, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you are welcome to subscribe for more simple walkthroughs.